Hey guys, it's Daniela and welcome back to my channel. So today's video we are talking about lips and my lips and your lips and everyone's lips. Okay, not like everyone's lips, but like, you know, we're talking about lips, how to make them bigger. Like, I have nothing on my lips right now. By the way, I feel like so naked with nothing on my lips. Like, even before I go to bed, I always need something on them because it's kind of like a pet peeve for me. Like, it really irks me and it's like an itch and it's just like, I need them to be moisturized. So without anything on my lips really don't look as big as I can make them. Like, usually I can make them look pretty sizable. I'm going to share with you guys some hacks of how I do that, and then I'm going to show you the lip type of makeup routine that I do to make them look like extra big. Like, hello. The first thing that I wanted to talk about is Scotch tape. I know you're probably like, what the hell is this girl talking about? But Scotch tape is so good for getting rid of like all the like mildew. Well, I don't know if we would call it like mildew, but like dry skin and dead skin cells that are like actually on your lips. It's gonna help to get rid of like all that stuff so that your makeup goes on nice and smoothly and it doesn't get like, you know, all clumpy and gross. So take your Scotch tape, just like Scotch tape like this. Don't take like the big tape and put that on your lips because you will seriously harm yourself, so please do not do that. Just take like a little bit, like see, like a tiny little bit. The first thing that you want to do is kind of just get rid of the tackiness a bit, because again, it can kind of be a little bit harmful to your lips. But when you ripped it off once, just apply it on your lips. And yep, that is disgusting. After you do that, you can notice like all the dead skin cells on there. Anything that you have that you like woke up with on your lips. The next thing that I like to do is to take a toothbrush, or my toothbrush, wet it a little bit and just kind of like scrub it against your lips. And it's kind of just gonna like exfoliate your lips in a way, and it's gonna bring like all the blood into your lips, so it's gonna start looking like a lot more rosy and pink and beautiful, alive and plump. So after you finish doing that, like, look how much redder and like more plump my lips look compared to like before. So now our lips are a little bit more plumped up, have a little bit more color, because before I was looking dead. My lips were looking dead. Another thing that you can do is actually use a lip scrub if you don't want to use your toothbrush and you're kind of like grossed out by that. All you need to do is take like a little bit of sugar and honey and then just scrub it against your lips, because obviously the sugar is going to be an exfoliant and it's pretty much just going to have like the same effect as a toothbrush is going to give you. Next, we're going to move on to how I actually make my lips look extra big, kind of like faking a lip job. If you guys are wondering if I have a lip job, I don't. So the first step is to actually find a lip pencil similar to the color of your lips. It just like blends into your lips with your natural lip color. So the one that I have is Makeup Forever in, what is this? Completely Sepia. Make sure that your lip pencil is also sharpened properly so the application is easier. And right now we're just like filling in our lips. Nothing crazy, just like filling it in. All you want to do is just like follow your natural lip line. Just fill it in. Okay, so this is how our lips look after we just filled it in. We didn't do anything special. Now we're gonna take another lip color, which is gonna be like a little bit, maybe like 1 or 2 shades darker than your actual natural lip color. The one that I'm using is called Heather Berry. So this is just like 1 or 2 shades darker than my actual lip color. Okay, so with this, we're actually just going to overline our lips, but in certain areas. So the places that you want to overline is like in the Cupid's bow area. You don't want to overline more at the bottom part of the area because it's going to look weird and it's going to look like you're trying to overline your lips and make your lips look extra big. So don't do that. Sometimes I do that because, like, you know, I get like a little bit crazy with the pencil and I just can't help it. But where you should be concentrating the overlining of your lips is just like this area, like the top area of your lips. And then at the bottom, just naturally like overline the natural line that you have. So now our lips are looking a little bit more plump, a little bit more big, but we're not finished yet. Oh no, my friends, we are not finished yet. So now I'm taking the lip pencil Soar by MAC, and I'm just going to go over like the top area again. This one's like a little bit more darker than the other lip pencil that I'm using. The next part is a pretty important part. Do not skip this part. I mean, if you like matte lips, then you can totally skip this part. I feel like this next step just adds like that extra shiny, glossy, big lip type of look to your lips. I was in Sephora one day and there was this girl working there and her lips looked so friggin' juicy. Like, I'm not trying to be explicit here, but they looked so big and plump and like just like out there and like juicy. Like, they looked so amazing and I was just like, oh my god, what's on your lips? Please tell me. So homegirl was actually wearing this lip gloss. This is by Sephora. This is, what color is this? Number 2, Outrageous. And this is actually like a lip plumper type of lip gloss. Usually like what I found about lip plumpers, typically like lip glosses, is that they don't actually like have color to them and they're just like clear and see-through. But the great thing about this is that this is just like a very beautiful type of pinky color. It's very similar to my actual lip color, not similar to like the dark lip liner. You want to find something that's also similar to the first lip liner that we applied onto our lips. So this is really just gonna kind of like irritate my lips because it's a lip plumper. It's gonna make them look a little bit more plump as well. And because it's shiny, it's gonna make it look, you know, it's gonna make them look real good. Also, when you apply this, you wanna go on to the dark lip liner on the outside. The other thing, when you apply this, you don't wanna like, kinda after you know when you put on lip gloss and you like smack your lips together, you do not want to do this or else you're gonna break the seal of the lip gloss and it's just not gonna look as nice. So do not, just don't do it because it's not gonna look as pretty. So as we can see, our lips are looking pretty substantially bigger. So now we're just gonna take a little bit of highlight and put that in our cupid bow because it just kind of just like draws your eyes to your lips. Just gonna clean this up a little bit with some concealer. And we are done, you guys. So that's pretty much my big lip care type of routine to make my lips look pretty big. I'm gonna show you guys some before and afters right here, right here. Yes, that's pretty much what I do to make my lips look bigger, fuller. All of these tips are something that I literally use all the time to make my lips look like plump. I really hope you guys liked this video. I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, let me know in the comments down below. Make sure to give it a like, and I will see you guys very soon. Bye!